The volumetric strain in a body with Young's modulus E, Poisson's ratio 1 by m, subjected to a normal tensile stress P in only one direction is. We know the volumetric strain is equal to change in volume divided by original volume, and it can also be written as epsilon x plus epsilon y plus epsilon z. By substituting the values of strain in x direction, y direction and z direction, we will get the change in volumetric strain as sigma x plus sigma y plus sigma z divided by E into 1 minus 2 nu. In question, it is given that the body is subjected to a normal stress P in only one direction. Then we can assume sigma y and sigma z as 0 and sigma s is equal to P. And our equation reduces to P divided by E into 1 minus 2 nu. And the value of nu, that is Poisson's ratio, is given as 1 by m. We can rewrite this equation as P by E into 1 minus 2 by m. By solving this, we will get P by me into m minus 2. And this is our answer, and our answer is option D.